Hi everyone, this is Joycelyn from SHOPLINE. Okay, so for today's class, we'll be talking about how to actually manage your leave keyword and get limited vouchers event during your live stream, and also your customers' perspective on how they can actually participate in this event. Okay, so as you can see on the screen here, currently the Facebook Live is running. Okay, it is already live. So during live, maybe sometimes you wish to actually have some events to actually engage with your customers, right? So for example, in this video, it's about leave keyword and get limited vouchers, okay? So how do you actually start this event session, right? So just go to this event button over here, and then you will find the event for this leave keyword and get limited vouchers that you have created, okay? So if you did not set anything about the events here, right, you have to actually you have to set first, yeah, before the live session, okay? So if you wish to know more about how to set up this events and all, okay, then you can actually watch our other tutorial videos about this event features, okay? So here you can see I've already previously preset this event for leave keyword and get limited vouchers, okay? And then here you can see the event title as well, okay, which is here, listed here. And then if you feel like going through the summary of the event details, okay, you can just click on it. And then here you'll be able to view the event info, okay, and also the event messages as well. All right, so now you are already ready to start this event, right? Just click on this go icon to start the event, okay? All right, so now once the event has started already, you will see the status will change to ongoing in red, right? Okay, and then also the event start message will also be prompt to the comment section as well, okay? So your customers will be able to view all the details about this, the leave keyword and get limited vouchers event, okay? And then let me show you your customer's perspective, okay? Okay, so this is what they can see. And then they can also comment the keyword, okay? So for example, this event, the keyword is Ang Pao, okay? Okay, so now once that you see your customer has already commented, and then you have collected a few comments already maybe, okay, then you wish to actually end the session, okay? Okay, so the event has ended, yeah, guys, because I've set it as 3 minutes. So that's why the event will end by its own once 3 minutes is up, okay? And then the system will actually capture the winner for you, okay? But if you did not actually set up the time for the event, okay, the event time, then you will have to manually draw the event, okay? There's a logo over here, the icon for you to draw the event manually, okay? But because the time has up, so that's why the system has actually captured the winner for me, okay? So here on the left panel, no worries at all, you will still be able to view like the information as well. And then here there's this winner information that you can view as well. Just click on it, and then you'll be able to view who's the winner for this get limited vouchers event, okay? And also as the customer's perspective, right? The customer, the winner, okay, will also be able to receive a message from the system as well. See, there's a congratulations message via messenger. So the customer can actually click continue. Okay, and then the customer can actually redeem this voucher when they actually proceed to check out for the orders. Okay, so yeah, guys, this is basically all for leave keyword and get limited vouchers event. Okay, so I hope you guys gain some knowledge from this video, and good luck for setting up as well. Bye.